Alright, what's up guys? So here is my 1992 NA Miata, and today we will be going ahead and changing one of the most important parts of the engine, the air filter. So this is the engine and there is our air filter. So I'll be going through the steps on how to replace it. It's pretty easy. Alright guys, all you need is a plus screwdriver and a wrench. Those are the only two things you need. If you have other tools that will assist you, you can use them. But that's all you need, and let's get to it.